If you're watching this video right now, that means that you are in a leadership position or you want to be. And it means that you want to succeed in this career, in this field. The problem is that you feel like there's something missing. It's like your team won't listen to you, your team doesn't trust you, you feel like your team doesn't even respect you. I want you to stop right now. I want you to understand that you're not the first one to feel this way, and you're not going to be the last one to feel this way. People think that being the boss, people think that being the team lead is an easy job. Oh, they just get to sit in an air-conditioned office. But you and I know better. Leadership is simple, but it is absolutely not easy. But stop once more. Let me bring some light to this situation. First, I want you to understand that you do not need to lead like everybody else. You do not need to change your personality to fit what this fluffy book told you to be. You do not need to lead like the guy or the girl who trained you, who was a leader that never got taught how to lead. You need to lead authentically like yourself. Do not change your personality. Do not change who you are, but change what you know. Change the processes that you've been taught or that you've absorbed by looking around the environment you're in. Changing those can have the greatest impact on how you build team trust, how you get the respect of your team, and how your days will just be nice. If you are trying to lead like somebody else, if you're trying to lead the way that the previous leader, the previous boss was leading, it will be an uphill battle. I promise you. And I also promise you this, at some point, you will fail. You will fail every time you try to be someone who is not you. Every time you are not authentically being yourself, you will fail. But stop right now. When you know the leadership fundamentals, then you succeed because you're able to lead as you are. Because when you know the fundamentals, that is what makes the game fun. Any professional business, any professional sport, the best players, the best members are the ones that know the fundamentals, or what some might call the basics. And they keep bringing them up. They keep going over. They keep practicing the fundamentals. They don't change the type of player they are. They go back to the fundamentals. Let me tell you, in just 7 minutes a day for 30 days, I will be giving you access to the No Nonsense Leadership Bootcamp, where it is just that. I will teach you the fundamentals that you need to be authentically you and lead your team and get the wins, the respect, the trust that you deserve. You're in a leadership position for a reason. Because you're a leader. That's it. But make sure you know the fundamentals so that you can excel as a leader, so that you get the next promotion. You get your team just knocking it out of the field because they want to work with you, because you're fair, because you understand how to lead a team. Again, leadership is simple, but it's not always easy. And if you join this leadership bootcamp, I promise you, 7 minutes a day for 30 days, leadership becomes simple, leadership becomes easy, and more importantly, it becomes enjoyable again. You can be excited for the job you have, the abilities that you have to create wonderful relationships with your team, to have everybody executing at the top of their abilities. That's why we get into leadership, because we want other people to succeed. We want to succeed. We feel that there's more for everyone around us. Click the link below and learn how this bootcamp can help transform your leadership style because it's changing what you know. I'm not here to change who you are. So get your coffee, get into the bootcamp, and let's start working on it every day, 30 days. You will succeed. I will not let you fail.